This short tutorial shows how to buy shares of Natuzzi SpA, the Italian furniture maker known for sofas and leather upholstery. Natuzzi trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NTZ, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will verify the account, typically with an identity document, and you will need to add funds to place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker NTZ to find Natuzzi SpA. Then select the listing that shows NASDAQ. Confirm the company name and ticker match before moving on. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent market movement. Double-check the exchange and ticker are correct so you are viewing Natuzzi SpA on NASDAQ under NTZ. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list after the order executes. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.